Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a portable power bank. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from a brand called Anker, and for the one that I got right here it's called a Powercore Slim 10K. So this is a 10,000 mAh power bank. We're going to open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So once you guys open up, this is what the inside looks like. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. Next up right here, they provide guys a small little box. So if you guys open up, inside they provide guys some accessories. So once you guys take it out, you guys can see inside they provide guys a small little baggie to actually hold everything in terms of accessory and the power bank. And they do have like the Anker logo on here as well. And then right here they provide guys a USB to micro USB cables, and that way you can use that to recharge the product. And last but not least, you do have the portable charger or the power bank. So we just take it out. Once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. You can see right here we do have the brand logo. Right here we do the button for you to press to activate it. So just press it one time. You can see it lights up and show you guys the battery percentage that's on here. And when you guys see the material that's on here, it definitely feels really soft and very smooth. But when it turns to the side, you can see right here they provide guys some outputs and inputs as well. So they provide guys a USB option, and right here they provide guys a USB-C and micro USB option as inputs. So I believe you guys can only use that for input and not output. And if you guys turn on the back, they provide guys some specs and feature about the product in terms of output and input. And also, if you guys notice on the product, it's actually very slim. So that way it can make it a lot easier for you guys to bring along when you guys are traveling or something. And one thing to know about this portable power bank is the fact that since it is 10,000 mAh, it gives you guys up to 2 full charge on an iPhone device. And definitely for the product, it does have like the overheat protection, the overvoltage protection, and all the other protection as well. And for this power bank, it does give you guys the option to turn on the trick charging option. So just double tap it. You can see it turns green on here. So that is how you guys know when it's on. And that allows you guys to charge like 1A or 2A charging speed stuff. And then once you guys are done, you can triple tap it. And that will turn it off. So I'm actually plugging the cable to show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna use my USB-C to USB-C cable right here that's from the Anker brand, which is called a Power Line Flow. If you guys know, the material that's on here is like a silicone material, so that way you guys don't have to worry about tangling up anytime soon. So the other side do have it plugged into wall outlet, since it is a pretty long cable. I got a 6 feet one. They do have this available for 3 feet, so definitely get that instead if you guys do want to. But if you guys plug it in, you can see it is charging. So right now it's 2 out of 4, so it's not fully charged yet. But let's try to use the USB option to see when it actually works. Alright, so if you guys plug it in, and for the other side I want to plug it in, if you see it doesn't work. So I guess when you guys are charging the power bank at the same time while charging your phone, it won't work. So I'm going to try to unplug the cable and try again. So let's unplug the USB-C cable. And if you guys try again, it does work. So in order for you to charge your phone, you need to unplug the actual input cable first, otherwise it won't charge. And supposedly for the power bank, they mentioned the way how to design it is super durable. So if you guys drop it around like a 1 meter distance, it should be fine. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality slim portable charger that has 10,000 mAh and different input and output that's on here. That I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.